so much fucking work to do. I have so much work to do in here. It's absolutely insane. And I'm just going to do something. I don't know. I'm just going to get it all together. I have this with all of my supplies and all of my items, but it's stuff all on the top. It's stuff on the side and bins I need to go back. So I'll be organizing this, getting this back right, because this is atrocious. This is my nail table where my clients and stuff sit. This is like unacceptable. And then I'm just gonna get all of this right. So let's just get started, because it's honestly just a mess.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mindless you the dog, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo, don't cry, Ani Bibo and Shayo, Ani Bibo and Shayo, Ani Bibo and Shayo, 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 Ani Bibo and Shayo, Ani Bibo and Shayo, Ani Bibo and Shayo, Shayo. I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo. Don't cry, yo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. 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 Ani Bibo and Shayo.
I know I've been away. Trying not to stay true. Don't get my shit away. Trying not to stay true. I know I've been away. Trying not to stay true. Don't get my shit away. Trying not to stay true.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I
know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations.
Bowl myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step and get one round me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my thug. And I can't shake this tabbing up. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every you're missing you. Wishing with living in what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the line of us. Lost in no finding us.
what's inside me. Ain't recognize you. Please don't deny me.
Treat me like this.
If you wonder if I hate you, say of you to make me feel just like good day in my mind, since it touch your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from choosing the best in me. I worry that I
Organized. This file here is going all to Goodwill, so this will be gone. But then, like, honestly, the Goodwill piles do be staying for a while, but I'm gonna really try to get it gone this week. And that's really what I'm doing now. And I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm crusty, dusty, musty. I have calluses on my hands from the whole nine. I'm hot. My feet hurt, and the bottom of my feet are black. Kid you not. But I'm happy with the results and how everything came out and how everything's a lot more organized. A few processes still go to Goodwill, but that'll get done quickly, hopefully. It looks good. It feels more organized and clean. And the only thing I need to do is get a few more items I feel like will tie in the salon kind of home vibe. I think we'll keep a rug and also like a TV console, like a floating one. I think that'll really tie in, making it feel more like a studio, like a salon and whatnot. It's good for right now. At least it's something. You know, if you do something today, just do something today. I hope y'all cleaned up with me. I hope y'all cleaned up y'all dirty ass car, y'all kitchens, y'all bedrooms, y'all nasty bathrooms. Clean up something, clean out your closet, whatever it might be. At least you got something done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage of me cleaning up and organizing my nail salon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.